everyone, my name is Priyanto Saha and my ID number is 25051087. Today I am going to present a project named Automatic Indoor Lamp. The main purpose of this project is to automatically turn on the lamp when motion is detected and helping to save electricity. I have used a Easier Pro board. You can see this is the Easier Pro board and this is the motion sensor and this is the 2 Easier lamp. And let me tell you how it actually works. When there is no motion, the sensor sends an input signal as 0 and the lamp remains off. As soon as the sensor detects movement, it sends an input signal as 1. The system then turns on the lamp automatically. After a few seconds of no motion, the sensor detects no activity and turns off the lamp again. So now let's activate this system. You can see there is a red light in the motion sensor and it means the motion sensor is working. And wait a few minutes and now you can see the 2 Easier light is on, and now we can use this project for indoor lighting, especially in places like washrooms and storerooms. It helps in saving electricity. Thank you guys for your time. I hope you liked my project.